We are in Photoshop, so I will apply the changes there. Add a paint as well into the designs to add a shade there. Let's make the changes. I will make a selection there. Go into the filter. Pick up the filter gallery. So use the design in this way.